Hello students, how are you? Today we will learn the chapter which is called the measurement. Measurement is something by which we can come to know more about any certain or particular thing. So what we can measure of a thing? We can measure the length, the weight and volume of a thing. Today we will learn how to measure the length of a particular thing. So why we need to measure the length? We need to measure the length to know that how long the thing is spread. Suppose this is a board, so we can measure its length. By measuring the length, we will know that the board is from this point all the way up to this point. This is the length of the board. We can measure the length. To measure the length, we have some process that is called hand span, cubit, foot span, or pace or stride. Okay. First is hand span. Hand span means like this. If you spread your hand like this, the point here to here, this is called the hand span. The length between your thumb and the little finger. This is called the hand span. One hand span means this is a spot. I am measuring one hand span. So the last point will be this. So distance between my thumb and the little finger is called one hand span. By this we can measure the board easily, like this, one hand span, two hand span, three hand span, like this. Okay. Next we will learn the cubit. Cubit means if I take a point here and I put my elbow here, and if I place my hand like this, the length from my elbow to the tip of this finger is called the cubit. So this length is 1 cubit. Okay. This length is hand span. This length is the cubit. Next we will learn the foot span. Foot span means this is 1 foot. Okay. All the way from here to here, this is 1 foot. And if I place another foot here like this, so I am measuring the length from 1 foot from here to here. So this is called the foot span. And if you take one step like this, this measurement will be called the pace or stride. So foot span means you are measuring 1 foot, the length of your 1 foot, and pace or stride means if you take one step like this, these steps, the length between these steps is called 1 pace or stride. Now students, we have come to know about the process to measure the length. One is hand span, next is cubit, third one is the foot span, and last one is pace or stride. So these are the 4 things by which you can measure the length of any thing. Okay students, hope you have understood this. Bye bye.